Hello guys, welcome to our channel Programmer King. How are you? I hope that you are healthy and fine. Now in this C++ tutorial, I am going to tell you about data types in C++ and commands. So first we will discuss commands, and in the next video we will discuss about data types. So let's begin the video. Um, so guys, let's begin the video without time wasting. Here I have opened the IDE. One second, wait. I have opened the IDE of C Sharp, sorry, C++. Here I have written this line here, two slashes, and this is a comment is written here. So in this video we will talk about commands. So what is a comment? Comment is a um, user readable line, okay, or annotation according to the computer. So here there is a comment is written. So to declare a line comment, we simply place two slashes in the beginning of the line, like I wrote here count. I am a comment. Here it is not a comment basically, because it is a console printing line in which I am a comment will be printed. Now always remember, in the comments you cannot print them. These are only user readable, okay. Comments are used to explain some line. Now here if I place two slashes, now this line became a comment. It became user readable but not computer readable, okay. So this comment is known as single line comment. Let me delete it first and then I will write, sorry, man. Here I will write single line comments. Here it is a single line comment. Or now we will see another comment, multi-line comment. So what is multi-line comment? Multi-line comment basically stores many lines in single slash. Now understand why this. Here two slashes are placed, okay. Now I can write only one line, okay. Here I have written single line comment, and I press enter and write here I am a comment. Now this line will become, sorry, let me select, this line will become machine readable line, so it will throw error when I run it. Here you can see error has occurred. Now if I delete it, I have deleted it. Now it will not throw error because it knows that this single line comment is declared as a comment which is single line. Now in the multi-line comments I will write how many lines I want in the comment. Remember this, multi-line comments is declared as slash asterisk, and multi-line comments starting is this sign, okay. Here I will write it is a comment. Now it has become comment. Now one error will occur. What error will occur? Error will occur because this comment has a starting but not has a ending. I will write anything here will become comment. If I write CPP, it has also become comment. To end this, here I will write opposite of beginning, asterisk and slash. It has ended. It is a multi-line comment. So guys, it's enough. Now in the next video we will learn about data types. So get connected, get in touch. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel and watch the full video, guys. You are not watching full video. I have seen that view duration is only 13 seconds or 2 minutes. So watch the full video please and subscribe the channel. Thanks.